It's a Singer model 1591 from 1950. It shows the Centennial 1951 gold and blue Singer's mark. Serial number AJ753270. This machine's being sold in working condition. It does have the original manual as well as a few attachments. These 3 pieces, an extra bobbin, a few needles, and a replacement made in Japan all metal foot pedal. Take a quick look at this machine. One of the best attributes about this industrial machine is its smoothness of running and its decent cosmetic condition. Take a walk around. It does have a nice decorative base plate. Everything is original. Bottom box enables it to be portable. It has the well-known attached motor, so there's no belt needed. Again, this runs very smooth. Everything about it is in good working condition. Give you a quick glance at the bottom. This is all steel, metal, straight cam construction. The bobbin itself uniquely placed directly in front. Works as it should. Decals on this machine show some wear, mostly right in the middle. Otherwise, it's in used condition. Again, this is plugged in, so I'll quickly show you again that everything does function as it's supposed to. Everything moves as it should. Nice smooth movement. There is a needle in here, so I'll gently just push a piece of fabric to protect it and just run it slowly. I'll just put my hand on the plate here to demo the smoothness of this machine. You can see it's running this way right now, so I'll go ahead and clamp it down again and give it a little bit of more juice this time. As you can see, that's a nice straight stitch to demonstrate its power. This will sew through just about any fabric, canvas, denim. Again, the interior was well taken care of. Take a look at the pictures, please, if you're interested in this auction. This unit's up for sale. Thanks for looking. Singer 1591 from 1950.